Hey, how's it going? I'm Tim Lazinski, and today I've got an absolutely beautiful 1975 Citroen 2CV V6 Special. It's an absolutely beautiful nut and bolt restored, back to factory spec, museum quality car. Actually just coming out of a museum too. This car is currently showing 16,480 kilometers on her, and in absolutely impeccable shape. I would want to say it's got to be one of the nicest ones out there, definitely. So this one's very, very cool. So it's a French-built car that was in competition with the Beetle, the common man's car. Simple, and yet affordable. So this one was really, really cool. I'm going to run through a couple of the features of the shifter, the headlights, the window assembly, and how they work, and how they were able to keep it so simplistic, yet very user-friendly at the same time. One thing that's really caught my eye about this car is the top. Nice thing is, you're able to release two straps right here, get this whole assembly, plop it backwards. Your whole front area here, it's got like almost a sunroof kind of feel for it. So it's still covering the back area right there. The nice thing is that right about here and here, there's two clips. Remove the clips, roll the whole top back. You've got a complete convertible top for you and all your passengers inside the car. So this car is, like I said, very simplistic, yet very user-friendly. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to give you guys a quick walk-around video on the car, show you some of the unique things that were just for the Citroen. Give you guys a nice driving video to tell you what I'm feeling on this car, and then we'll go through some of the cool little features like I had mentioned. So hang tight, let's get her going, all right? Thanks.